friends, hey, it's your girl Kitty. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a ride or die, part of KKC, welcome back. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you a grab bag that I purchased. I actually went to the drugstore to get some prescriptions, and at the cosmetic section they had grab bags for $5, and I was quite impressed with what came in the bag. I actually wish I had have purchased the other two bags that were there, because the items I got in the grab bag I purchased, I was very impressed with. I haven't used any of the products yet because I wanted to do like an unboxing kind of thing. So they were just in these bags at Lawton's drugstore where I live. This is where I go to get my prescriptions, but they had cosmetic bags for $5. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So, the first thing in the bag that I will show you guys that came in the bag is just a little package of facial tissues. There's 10 in this little pack, and they say be happy and smile. So I thought these were super cute. So there's a little pack of tissues for your purse. The next item in here is, keep in mind these are all full-size products, and I don't think there's any products in here that I'm not familiar with the brand. This nail polish, a really pretty pink color by Revlon. So it's a full-size nail polish. The next item is this is a lipstick, I believe, by CoverGirl. In this, it looks brown, but it's actually like a purple color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a purpley brown color. Yeah. It's got a purple tint to it. I don't know if I'll really wear this, but you never know. The next item is another CoverGirl item. It's CoverGirl Oh Sugar, and the color is Sprinkle. And this is like a lip balm. It looks like a lipstick. Maybe it is a lipstick. I think it's a lip balm. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So it's like a tinted lip balm. It's not, I don't think it's a lipstick. Does it say on here? Yep, it's a lip balm. I can't see because the sticker's in the way, but it says infused balm. It's vitamin infused balm. So I'm assuming these products were like discontinued or close to expiration maybe. And they wanted to get rid of some stuff, so they decided to just do grab bags, which I think is genius. And I hope they keep doing it, because I got some pretty awesome products in here. Show another lip product. This is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. A really pretty red. That's really pretty. Ooh. I'm gonna do that right there. Oh wow, that's really red. I don't know when I'll ever wear that, but you never know. Now this little thing, I wasn't sure what exactly it is. It's by NYX, or NYX, however you want to pronounce it. Full Coverage Concealer. And it comes in just a little container, and it's sealed. So, Full Coverage Concealer. Lightweight, crease-free. Yeah, I don't really wear concealer much, but I'll give this a try. We'll just see what it's like. Now, this I was impressed because I've heard a lot of dermatologists, and I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube. Bioderma. This is like the micellar water. It's for face and eyes. Hydrabio H2O Bioderma Laboratory Dermatologique. Anyways, I was impressed because, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Bioderma is a good brand. I mean, all of these are good brands so far. And what else? Ooh, a makeup brush came in here. NYX Professional Makeup Brush. And the last item is, okay, I know our Dell makes lashes, but I did not know that they carry any cosmetics. This is from our Dell Pro Brow Defining Kit. I thought that was pretty awesome. It has like the wax pencil. It's got a sharpener. It comes with a brow spoolie, little spoolie brush. Let's open this. Oh, it's a double-ended brush. It's got this brush to like do your brows and brush your brows up. So there's the spoolie brush. Let's look at this wax pencil. Brow grooming pencil. I don't know what exactly this is for. It's just clear. Oh, maybe it's to like clean up, maybe? I don't know, guys. I don't know. How's this open? Oh, just like that. Ooh. Oh, and it comes with a little tiny brush. That's just little bitty brush. I'll lose that for sure. I'll cover the mirror. But that's the brow palette. I'm assuming like these two are for actually filling in the brows, and then these two are for, or maybe these three are for brows. So like if you are fair skinned, that would probably be for like blondes and redheads maybe, and then brunettes, brunette and redhead maybe. And then this one right here is like a highlighter. It's like shimmery. I don't know if you guys see that. It's very sharp, very shimmery. Oh, Oh, I put that right on top of that wax. I don't know why people do this because it's going to look different on your face. Anywho. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I thought it was interesting. Yeah, so this is my unboxing video or unbagging video of my $5 cosmetic grab bag from my local drugstore. And I'm quite impressed. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items for $5. And these are pretty well-known brands. L'Oreal Paris, CoverGirl, Revlon, Bioderma, NYX, and some Cypress Home, Be Happy and Smile. So that'll be our message at the end of the video. Be happy and smile. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Deuces.